Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. Cardano whales buying up ADA like crazy as highly anticipated Vassal hard fork nears. After a bloody sell-off for most of this past week, major cryptocurrencies struggled to rebound over the weekend, adding about 8% to the overall market capitalization. The relief spike was driven by a combination of factors including strong sentiments of the market being oversold, prompting traders to place purchase orders for the heavily discounted prices. Analysts have also pointed the rise to what's referred to as a short squeeze. A short squeeze unfolds when traders short an asset only for it to shoot up. They now have to buy assets to cover the short positions. The dramatic spike in price squeezes those who shorted the asset. That said, this month's sell-off has sparked a wave of market activity, with transactions spiking remarkably on Bitcoin and Ethereum networks this past week, Crypto reported. On Friday, crypto analytics firm Santiment reported surging transactions on the Cardano network, with ADA dropping to a low of $0.4 on May 12, after dumping a total of 1.7M tokens in the past 7 or so months. Last week, it emerged that ADA whales with a balance of 1M10M coins have been accumulating more coins during the sell-off, buying over $200 million worth of ADA in the past 2 weeks, with price tapping a multi-year low of $0.4, which also acts as strong support, in addition to the upcoming Vassal hard fork in June, that seeks to greatly enhance the Cardano network. It can be seen why whales have been so active lately. As of writing, ADA is trading at 56 cents, after soaring 2.54% on the day. Cardano is currently the 7th largest crypto asset with an $18.9 billion market valuation. Cardano flag now on Mount Everest as ADA price rises by 4%. As the Cardano flag reaches the summit of Mount Everest, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has praised the community's dedication. "We got marketing," says the IOHK CEO, praising Cardano's strong community. It now has 3 million members and is growing. Cardano has recently released 84 projects, while the total number of NFT projects is up to 5,549. According to the latest figures published by IOHK, Cardano native tokens have also increased to 4.7 million. Cardano price action: Cardano dropped to lows of 39 cents in the past week as the crypto market experienced a sell-off. Cardano recovered, reaching highs of $0.613 on May 16 after 3 days in the green. Cardano is currently losing ground after gaining over 4% during the day. Cardano was trading at $0.553 at the time of publication, after hitting intraday highs of $0.613. On-chain analytics, Santiment noted heightened whale activity for the 7th largest cryptocurrency over the weekend, which was reflected in the 3-day bounce. Cardano's whales showed a flurry of transactions yesterday, as prices were bottoming out to 40 cents, between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. UTC. These spikes have very commonly indicated price direction changes for ADA, and we're monitoring further whale activity closely. According to data from DeFi, the Cardano DeFi ecosystem has attracted nearly $20 million more in funds since May 13. This is reflected in the surge in the total value locked, TVL, from roughly $118 million on May 13 to $137 million on May 16. Cardano is recording a positive 24-hour change of nearly 6% in its total value locked, TVL. Without the inclusion of state governance tokens in TVL valuation, Cardano's TVL stands at about $174.74 million. While the increase might seem insignificant, Cardano's TVL, staking included, has steadily declined since peaking at $434.74 million on March 28. And last news today is Bitcoin failed at $31K last week turned out to be one of the most violent for the primary cryptocurrency in recent history, as it dipped to an 18-month low of $25,300. Despite recovering several $1,000s, the week still closed in the red, making it 7 in a row. This came even with yesterday's price increase to and beyond $30,000. In fact, the asset jumped to a multi-day high of over $31,000, where it stood for a while, but ultimately failed. The subsequent rejection drove it south by more than $2,000. In just a matter of hours, BTC slumped to around $29,500. As of now, it sits a few $100s upwards, and is close to the $30,000 mark. Bitcoin's market capitalization, which is down by over $100 billion in a week or so, is now situated at $565 billion. Its dominance over the altcoins has increased during the most recent corrections, and is above 44%. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.